The Indian Poultry Equipment Manufacturers Association, IPEMA, took the initiative to create a platform dedicated to showcasing the strength, innovation of not only Indian poultry equipment manufacturers but also the other poultry sector manufacturers. Also, the other poultry related manufacturers like feed additives, vaccines, medicines, breed, and all the connected activities. Our goal was clear to promote indigenous products, to give our manufacturers a stage to display their technology, and to ultimately benefit India's marginal and small poultry farmers. The initiative was well supported by all major poultry associations of India like NACC, CLAPMA, Poultry Federation of India, and all the major stakeholders of the poultry sector. What began humbly with just one hall of 3,500 square meters today has grown into a truly world-class event, now spread over 7 halls covering more than 35,000 square meters area. This growth is a reflection of the confidence and collaboration within our poultry community and the trust shown by the exhibitors and visitors year after year. We are proud to share that this exhibition is the biggest exhibition for poultry in world. Other international exhibitions are mostly combining poultry, fishery, cattle, pig farming, everything. Our industry show, Poultry India.
Anilji, I request Suresh Chituri sir to give because I think he has a flight to go. He's specially come from Hyderabad on our request. And sir, I would first take your suggestion on the little.
Thank you, Uday. बचपन से we were always going to the Atlanta show to see what is happening in poultry. And I have to say now, it's been now 3 or 4 years since I've gone to Atlanta show because I see no need to go there because of Poultry India. This is our 17th year. Atlanta show usually was the biggest poultry show in the world. Of course, now it has included all other animals in the last few years. So it is not exclusively poultry anymore, but still, I think they have 32,000 visitors as the highest. And for sure, Poultry India has absolutely beaten that. I think if we can get a better way to record how many people come, because we know it's close to 45,000 now. And it is interesting that many people from farmers from Africa and all that are now choosing to come to India because it makes more sense to come to India for them for what they want to do than going to the Atlanta show or even to the Bangkok show. So I think that is my request again to the Indian media to please highlight, because it's something that we have achieved and we are proud of, and I think it is that something I think it would be great if you can also project that and let the country know what is happening. A few things I wanted to just highlight. It's been 60 years since Srinivasa has been started by my father. And I was just doing a little bit of calculation on what is the impact that the Indian poultry industry has done. So as per, so an egg used to sell for 20 paisa in 1970. Today on an average it is 6 rupees. Sometimes more, sometimes less, but generally it is 6 rupees. So I was just putting what is the inflation rate from then to now and how have other products gone. So milk is supposed to be at 57, is at about 68 rupees on an average. Dal also is much higher than the inflation rate. But poultry or eggs actually are at it's supposed to be at 11. It's supposed to be 11 rupees 50 paisa today as per inflation rate. It is 6 rupees. So I think we all have to be very proud of the service we are doing to the nation. India is now #2 egg producer in the world. number 3 is US. We will be adding a United States every 6-7 years, and just imagine the service it is doing to the children, to women, and all that in providing quality nutrition.
And Suresh sir, thank you for coming and giving your valuable time here along with all my dignitaries here. Respected press, media, my electronic media friends, and all my poultry press people who have come here. My Sridhar sir, who has come on a short notice to us, Shukla Saab, and all my friends on the dais and off the dais. I would like to thank each and everyone here who has come today on this day. Poultry India, basically we used to have a curtain raiser in South India and Telangana every year. But this year, I thought that we should do it in Delhi. Because Delhi being a capital of our country, where everything, most of the decisions are taken from the central. I thought this would be a good opportunity, and all my committee members have supported me to have this in Delhi. And that's why I thank each and everyone who has taken out their valuable time here and been very patient with us to take this curtain raiser as a very good event here. So I request all the media to have, then you can see a presentation weight what we stand. Poultry India is all about giving out the exhibitor and the visitor what we want here. It's one platform, as Suresh Chituri sir said, that this is the place where any exhibitor who wants to display his product related to only poultry can have a maximum visibility. There is no show like Poultry India. You need not go anywhere in the world. Poultry India is the only one-stop solution for all your poultry needs, whether hatchery or a breeder or equipment, feed, anything which you want to buy from related to poultry. Poultry India is one-stop solution. So let's start with the small presentation here. Can we have the highlights, and then we can continue the video AV with that. Can we have a little volume, please? This is the 16th edition of Poultry India, which we had last year, wherein 40,000 people visitors are. Poultry India क्या प्लेटफॉर्म है और इसको हम कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं? हमारे साथ इंडिया के कई एसोसिएशंस, जैसा मिस्टर गुलाटी साहब जो चेयरमैन हैं क्लेफमा के, वो हमारे साथ हैं. वेट VIP से जो आए हैं, संतोष जी सेक्रेटरी साहब आए सो है, नवीन साहब जो आए सो है जो हमारे ब्रीडर एसोसिएशन नॉट ब्रीडर एसोसिएशन के हैं, एंड देन नवीन पशुपति साहब कर्नाटका पोल्ट्री ब्रीडर फार्मर एसोसिएशन से है, अली साहब जो हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश पोल्ट्री फार्मर एसोसिएशन से है. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हम लोग सब एक लोग हैं, एकजुट बन के काम करते हैं. हमारे देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हमने छोटा प्रयास किया है जो कि आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. तो इसी प्लेटफॉर्म से मैं आपको मीडिया को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आप लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं और ये पोल्ट्री इंडिया हमें आगे आप और ऊंचाइयों पे लेके जाने का मौका दीजिए. ये पॉसिबल हो पाएगा जब आप प्रेस हमारा साथ दे और देश के उन्नति के लिए हमें आप लोग साथ दे. ये हमारे प्रधानमंत्री का भी सपना है, वो हम सपना पूरा करेंगे. हर आदमी, हर देशवासी अपने ये मोदी जी के सपने को, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब के सपने को आगे लेके जाने का प्रयास करना है, क्योंकि सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज व्हाट वी वांट एक्चुअली. सो इससे ज्यादा मैं कुछ बोलने का आई डोंट थिंक आई रिक्वायर मच. थैंक यू once and all for coming to Poultry India, and thank you my poultry press, all of you who have come for this journey of poultry. आपके बगैर ये काम नहीं होता. पोल्ट्री प्रेस हमारे साथ हर वक्त था, हमारे हर संकट के लिए सामने खड़ा है और हम उनके ऊपर पूरा विश्वास करके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और ये पूरा डेडिकेट हम आपको ही करते हैं. हमारा जो सक्सेस है वो आपके थ्रू ही होता है. थैंक यू वंस अगेन.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, media partners, all the associations, those who have come over here. Indeed, the president of IPMR, he has given a beautiful narration about how we have evolved from a very small show to a world-class show as on date. And this year we are going to have our 17th edition of Poultry India. सुरेश चित्तूरी साहब ने बहुत अच्छे से बताया what is the importance of this particular sector in our country. Since media persons are here, I would like to emphasize how this poultry has been evolved since independence. Of course, we are talking about the green revolution, the white revolution, but never talked about poultry revolution, which is much more than these two revolutions. Almost 70-fold increase in production in this country. And as on date, we are second in ranking, world ranking, so far egg production is concerned. जर्नी रही है 2 बिलियन अंडे से लेकर के 142 बिलियन अंडे तक की. सबका समग्र विकास रहा है, सबका साथ रहा है. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, खासकर इस एक्सपो की, बचपन से हम लोग सुनते आए हैं, सीइंग इज बिलीविंग. Expo is a place where you can go, you can see and you can believe how you are progressing. Here, all requirements, whatever is there in your mind, you'll find in the Expo. Expo की शुरुआत में थोड़ा सा हम लोगों ने नॉलेज के एक्सचेंज के लिए एक टेक्निकल सेमिनार ऑर्गेनाइज करते थे. और टेक्निकल सेमिनार में विचारों का आदान प्रदान होता था, विचार विमर्श होता था, कुछ करंट इश्यूज को लेकर के, समस्याओं को लेकर के उनका समाधान ढूंढने का प्रयास होता था. धीरे धीरे इसने भी अपना स्वरूप बदला और 2012-13 से इसको हमने रीडेजिग्नेट किया एज नॉलेज डे. नॉलेज डे वेयर वी गेट अ स्पार्क अबाउट व्हाट वी वांट, what are the problems and how we can get it solved. अब as on date, knowledge day हमारा जो एक्सपो है उसके एक दिन पहले होता है. इस साल ये 25 नवंबर को है. नॉलेज डे को बहुत ही स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रोग्राम बना दिया गया है और इस नॉलेज डे में हम नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल स्पीकर्स को इनवाइट करते हैं. सबसे पहले अपनी इंडस्ट्री में हम इस बात को जानने का प्रयास करते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री की, फार्मर्स की, सेक्टर की क्या क्या आवश्यकताएं हैं और उसके साथ उनकी क्या समस्याएं हैं.
धूमल जी, ग्रीटिंग्स टू तरुण श्रीधर जी, शुक्ला जी, फ्रेंड्स ऑन द डायस, एंड अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल द पीपल प्रेजेंट हियर. First of all, let me congratulate Dhumal ji on starting such a brilliant movement. It is a movement you have created, sir. And congratulations to Uday ji to continue this movement. They say small things, good things come in small package. Uday ji is small but very dynamic. So, sir, two master strokes for Poultry India. One is a knowledge day. I think I don't need to say more about Knowledge Day. Shukla ji has very well represented what Knowledge Day is. They've thought it through completely and they've hit the nail on the head, and they're really addressing whatever the issues are current of and in the future which we could face are being addressed through this Knowledge Day. I think more than, sir, kitne 2,000 people attend the successful model.
1,500.
1,500. दूसरा सर आपका मास्टर स्ट्रोक है यंग ऑन्टरप्रेन्योर. आप मेंशन करना कि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, तो दिस इज नॉट अ बिजनेस ऑफ चिकन एंड एग ओनली. इट्स वी आर feeding the nation. We are fulfilling the deficiency of protein of this country through chicken and egg. And what best that the next generation can carry it forward. So I'm sure Dhumalji, your children, my child, all of our children have studied overseas, but have come back to India to actually carry forward this movement. So that's a big plus for our nation. We're learning from outside but applying it in our own country. And that's a fantastic thing which we can do. पोल्ट्री इंडिया इज द ओनली एग्जीबिशन जिसपे पूरी स्टैंप है मेक इन इंडिया की. दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ पोल्ट्री इंडिया.
Good morning to all. I represent Telangana Poultry Breeding Association, and this breeding association is one of the oldest associations in India in poultry. Way back in 1988, our association was formed, and the great stalwarts of Indian poultry are from Hyderabad. I am proud to say this. Padma Shri Rao Gar, B.V. Rao Sahab is from Hyderabad. Sheikh Imam Saab, Harbans Singh ji. So a lot of eminent personalities from poultry have come from Hyderabad, and we have close to 120 breeders in Hyderabad, and about 4 to 5 hatcheries are already into processing of poultry, and they are able to supply chilled and frozen chicken in Hyderabad. And Telangana has been pioneering. They have been doing pioneering work in Indian poultry and giving a lot of eminent personalities in poultry like Dr. Ramasubba Reddy, P.V. Rao Sahab. A lot of scientists have come from this university who have done before. We have close to 3 veterinary colleges in Telangana, one in Hyderabad, Warangal and Korutla, and here. And there have been earlier days, but now that almost 20% of the students come to private sector. And talking about the poultry industry, I mean Poultry India that has been organized in Hyderabad, IBMA, conducted by IBMA. We are proud to host this great show in Hyderabad. This is the largest and best show in Hyderabad being conducted. And not only from India, Asia and world over we get visitors. As Suresh Raidu sir just now said, everybody's dream is to see Atlanta show. I was visited Atlanta show 2004, 21 years back, and we thought that's the best. And this year again in 25 I visited after 21 years gap just to see. We have been claiming that everybody is saying that Hyderabad is the best. We wanted to see that, and we went all the way to US. The weather challenges are so many during that time in January. Besides that, we need to pay entry fee of close to 12,000 rupees to enter.
Good morning, everyone. Respected panel and the great audience and the reporters. Thanks, Duma sir and Uday sir for giving this opportunity. I am Dr. Santosh Shire, representing VIP Vets in Poultry, globally one of largest veterinarian platform working in the poultry, more than 1600 veterinarians altogether. So under the leadership of our beloved President Dr. Ajay Deshpande sir, we are growing, and as a technocrat we are doing our role as like each of the association is doing their role based to contribute to the poultry. Back to Poultry India, I must say, being in India, before starting, I just take 2 minutes. For anything, what we believe to the common man is a perception, and this perception or narrative is set by the you guys, the media, the important media, either it may be press media, electronic media, print media, everything. So till now, the Western world is setting the narrative through their agendas and pushing us on the world. But now is the time for the India, the new Bharat. If the Silicon Valley is set by the Indians, why it not be done into the India? Just like that, we humbly request the media to give importance to the Poultry India, this show, and why it is important in India. I just highlight few of the facts which everyone knows. We are the globally second largest in egg production, fourth in a chicken, and the most important, we are 40 billion mouths to feed. Proudly, we are the least per gram protein cost India. So affordability is more important, and that we are giving. Approximately 17 to 20% of our children, they are underweight of the standards, and for that poultry is important in terms of the chicken and eggs. We are providing that. Indian poultry is scientifically growing at the rate of 8 to 10%. But what's more important? The important is our growth involve approximately 80 lakhs of the employments directly and indirectly. So this is a 2.5 lakh crores of the sector which contributing majorly to our agri-business as a processing industry. So poultry consumes the 70% to 80% of the maize and 40 to 50% of the soya produced by our farmers. So all these together come under one platform, that is
साथ ये
poultry.
कृपया एसी की थोड़ी गर्म करे, हम इतनी आदत नहीं ठंड में रहने की। हम किसान लोग हैं, हमें गर्मी ही पसंद है, तो ठंड हो गए तो दिक्कत में आ जाओगे सब। तो मेरे मन है कि हम कैसे कम से कम खर्चे में अपने मुर्गियों को या अपने जो प्रोटीन है उसको तैयार कर सके, और एक बेस्ट से बेस्ट प्रोटीन तैयार करके कम खर्चे में वो अपने जो समाज को उसको प्रदान कर सके, ताकि हमारा एक स्वस्थ समाज का योगदान हो सके और हम उसमें थोड़ी हेल्प कर सके। तो मेरी लास्ट में यही रिक्वेस्ट है साथियों, जहां तक आप मीडिया की बात जाती है, हर व्यक्ति को, हर पोल्ट्री से जुड़े व्यक्ति को इसके बारे में बताना चाहिए कि यह पोल्ट्री एक्सपो है, कोई आम चीज नहीं है। इसमें हमें नई नई उपकरण, नई नई मशीनें, नई नई टेक्नोलॉजी देखने को मिलेंगी, और साथ ही साथ जो हमारे पोल्ट्री में, हमारे मुर्गी में या अपने ब्रीडिंग फार्म में कोई भी जो दिक्कत आ रही है, किसी भी बीमारी की, किसी भी कुछ चीज की, वहां अच्छी से अच्छी कंपनी आती है, अपने विचार वहां रखने चाहिए और अपने विचार रखकर अपने बिजनेस में सुधार करना चाहिए। तभी हम आज के कंपटीशन के युग में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं और टिके रह सकते हैं। किसी भी बिजनेस को ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाना तो आसान काम है, लेकिन उसको वहां तक बनाए रखना वो सबसे कठिन कार्य है। उसके लिए हमें अपने बिजनेस में सुधार करने पड़ते हैं। इसके लिए रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं सभी साथियों को वहां जरूर पहुंचे। धन्यवाद।
तो हम हमेशा एक यकीन दिलाते हैं, आप हमें जब भी ज़रूरत होगी हम उनके साथ खड़े रहेंगे। पोल्ट्री इंडिया का हमेशा साथ रहेंगे, पूरी एसोसिएशन हम लोगों की साथ रहेगी। इसी के साथ बहुत दामन वक्त में गुंजाइश नहीं कि बहुत लंबी चौड़ी तकरीर की जाए, तो हम इसलिए आप लोगों के साथ बहुत कोशिश करेंगे कि आप लोग पोल्ट्री को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कवर करिए कि जब गवर्नमेंट तक बातें पहुंच सकें। बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं, जैसे अभी आपका एग्रीकल्चर में आता है, लेकिन जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलती है वो कमर्शियल रेट पे मिलती है, जबकि वो एग्रीकल्चर किसान रेट पे मिलना चाहिए। तो बहुत सी बातें सब छेड़ेंगे तो बड़ी लंबी चौड़ी तकरीर हो जाएगी। इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पोल्ट्री इंडिया का, जो सबको हम लोग को इन्वाइट किया, और आपको यकीन दिलाते हैं कि हम लोग नवंबर वाले नॉलेज डे से लेकर सब तक वहाँ मौजूद रहेंगे, अपने और साथियों के साथ भी। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
प्रोटीन का जो कॉस्ट है चिकन और अंडे का, वो सबसे कम है कंपेयर टू अदर सोर्सेस ऑफ प्रोटीन। ये सब होने के बावजूद भी हमें ऐसा लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे हमारा जो वजूद रहना चाहिए वो बहुत कम है, हमको बहुत कम मान्यता मिल रही है। और इसी पॉइंट को लेके मैं तरुण श्रीधर जी से अभी बात करूंगा कि वो हमको समझाए कि हम कैसे हमारे सेक्टर को गवर्नमेंट के नज़र में ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से ला सकते हैं, और गवर्नमेंट जो भी कर सकती है हमारे सेक्टर के लिए वो कैसे करें।
So I will be giving my very independent observations. We are interacting with the media today, and I think after you've heard the speakers before me, there should be a lot of questions in your mind. Why am I here? I retired from the government more than 6 years back. But for the last 6 years, somehow I developed the passion for the entire animal husbandry sector, which includes poultry and also fisheries. Because I found when I was in government that the level of awareness and knowledge about the entire livestock sector within and outside the government is very poor. In fact, in all sections of society, there is very little awareness about how important the entire animal husbandry, or as you call it, animal agriculture sector is. The speakers before me have highlighted certain figures, etc. I would like to reiterate some of them. You see, except for some journals dedicated to poultry or livestock sector, you don't find mention of poultry in any mainstream publication or media, except when there is an outbreak of bird flu. And that is the time we don't want media attention, because that gives negative publicity and causes a lot of damage to the sector. Further, I find that almost 100% of news and analysis about avian influenza, or as we call it in common parlance, bird flu, generates a lot of unnecessary alarm and misgivings about the sector, thus putting an obstacle to the growth of this sector. Friends from the media, please note, I can say it with great confidence that Indian poultry is one of the biggest success stories of independent India. Mr. Shukla had quoted certain figures. I'll give you the exact figure. In the year 1950, the total egg production was 1.83 billion. Today it is more than 142 billion. Again, please, just visualize this. From the bottom in the production chain in the world, we are at the top now, number 2 in the world. 5 million tons of poultry meat per annum. The last year it was 5 million tons. 4th in the world as far as poultry meat is concerned. The total value of the poultry output last year was more than 2 lakh crores. Sir, 2 lakh crores is not a small figure just for the poultry sector. And more than 15% of the value of the entire livestock, which comprises a huge dairy, comes from poultry. This is how important poultry is. Now, how is poultry different from the rest of the livestock sector is that poultry is the only subsector of the larger agriculture sector in this country which is organized. Our agriculture is characterized by small and marginal farmers, characterized by mere livelihood, hand-to-mouth existence, but poultry is a sector which has got industrialized, vertically organized, and it competes with the best in the world.